There's a parrot who talks all night. He flaps his wings and starts to say, let's learn our letters the jungle way. A-B-C, singing loud from the coconut tree. Flap your wings and take a walk. Let's learn the world with parrot talk. A for apple, the parrot cheers. B for banana, rings in our ears. C for cloud, up in the sky. D for drum, let's beat it high. A-B-C, singing loud from the coconut tree. Flap your wings and take a walk. Let's learn the world with parrot talk. E for elephant, big and round. F for fish that splashes around. G for grass, where we hop and play. H for hat, hip hip hooray. Parrot twirls on the jungle vine, shouting letters line by line. I and J, K and L, he loves to spell.